Okay, everyone, we have a GO train coming at the Bradford GO station in Bradford. Cab car 303. Empty for the engine. $6.52. Gates are going up. And there is $6.52. Anyways, we're going to get going now. My battery's a little bit running low, so yeah. Anyways, I think that'll be it for me. I may see another train that is 6:62 later on. Wait for sale that is empty for the engine, 6:31. Anyways, I think that'll be it for me. Thanks again for watching as always. Hope you enjoyed this video, and that will be it. Okay, everyone, we have a GO train coming with 6:62 and the old cab car. Cab car 256. And vehicle 662. Well, that's an interesting shot, that's for sure. This is actually my first time coming here. It's actually by the two crossings, Young Street and Chapman Street in Holland. So yeah, that's basically my first time filming here and at the two Holland crossings. Anyways, I think that'll be it for me. Thanks again for watching as always. Hope you enjoyed this video, and that will be it.